Our arms are sold separately and can be added to your Clean Shield seat when you first purchase it or down the road when you find you need more assistance. The arms are called support arms because they are weight-bearing. They will fully support the user when sitting or standing. They are tested to 350 pounds on each side. This means that they do not permanently bend when 350 pounds of pressure is applied to the arm. The strength of the support arms, combined with the snap to secure installation system, allows the user to push unevenly on the arms and still get full support. They are also ergonomically positioned to keep the user's hands in front of or equal to their hips. This ensures you have full use of your strength. The handle diameter is 1.5 inches, which meets the ADA requirements for grab bars. Our support arms are made to support your independence.